Good day, distinguished judges, and mentors. My name is Carebridge Rachel Ayomide, and I design Carebridge. I would like to start with a simple story. Imagine you are Aisha, a 31-year-old mother living in Maiduguri, Borno State. It's around 9:30 p.m. Your 6-year-old daughter Fatima suddenly develops high fever. She's crying, she's weak, you are worried. But like many parents, you don't know immediately what to do. Should you rush to the hospital? Can you safely manage the fever at home until morning? Is this an emergency? Which healthcare facility is still open? Who can you trust for reliable information? For many families, healthcare decisions do not begin at the hospital. They begin with uncertainty, and that uncertainty often leads to delayed treatment, missed medications, missed vaccination, panic, and avoidable health complications. This is the problem that Carebridge was built to solve. What is Carebridge, or what solution is Carebridge offering? Carebridge is an AI-powered community health companion designed specifically to help families make informed healthcare decisions before they reach a healthcare facility. It is important to mention that Carebridge is not designed to diagnose diseases or replace healthcare professionals. It is not designed to diagnose disease or replace healthcare professionals. Instead, it provides trusted educational guidance, help families organize their healthcare, and direct them towards the appropriate step. Let me show you how this works. Now, if you are a returning user, you click on I already have an account. If you are a new user, you click on Get Started. So I'm clicking on Get Started because I'm just trying to get to onboard. So this is the onboarding flow. I click on Continue, Care for Everyone You Love, and the splash screen. Find care nearby. You are never alone. Get started. So you click on Get Started. This is the home screen. This is the home page or the landing page for Carebridge. You see, welcome Ibrahim, how's the family today? And then this is the different features we have in our home screen. This is Lafia Guide. This is like the ground, or the one of the most important features of Carebridge, because you get to ask questions, you get to tell it your symptoms, and it analyzes it and gives you the appropriate or accurate response that you require to know whether this is an emergency situation. Is this a situation you can handle at home? Is this a situation where you need to call an healthcare professional immediately? So you have different features like find a nearby care, whether clinic or pharmacy, seek private guardians, check for symptoms, or even track your pregnancy journey. And then we also have the medication refill feature. This is where you get to add medications that you are on. If you are on patients with chronic diseases, tend to have multiple drugs they are taking. So in order for you not to forget about when to take your drugs, or when your next refill is, you come here, you put information about the drugs, and then it gets to remind you. You can check your symptoms, and you can, like I said, there are still find nearby clinics. This is how when you have already set the medication, when you click on that, I'm rushing because of time, you'll see that this is how it's going to look like. Paracetamol 500 mg for Fatima. This should be taken with food, with water after food, 1 tablet gently after breakfast. And then you can come here once you have taken it, you mark it as taken. If you are not, to keep reminding you that your medication needs to be taken. Carebridge does not only attend to one person. It is family oriented, because most time family members want to keep track of the other people in their family, how their health is going. So you can have your family members. This is the husband, this is the daughter, this is the son, and then this is their other daughter. Right, so you can add information about the family member, their health condition, the drugs they are on, and then it reminds you. So that way you can keep track of every of your family member. Now we also have the educational sector, where the educational future, where you can come and learn about certain disease condition. Now let's explore what the Lafia guide look at. It's telling you that educational guidance only, not medical diagnosis. Your information stay private. So let's start the assessment. Who needs help today? Let me choose. I am the one. It can be the child. How old am I? My age group. I am an adult within the age of 18 to 52. What am I feeling? I'm feeling diarrhea. How long has it been? Let me choose 3 to 7 days. Let me say it's moderate, add uncomfortable to see. Which symptoms am I feeling? I'm feeling heavy bleeding, because the diarrhea is associated with bleeding. I'm having chest pain, I'm having severe diarrhea, I'm having persistent symptoms. Let me choose this, and let me click on continue and see what comes up. It's trying to confirm my answers to be sure that everything I have written is correct. This is for me, myself, diarrhea, 3 to 7 years, moderate symptoms. These are all the signs I've written. We'll move to the next step. So it's reviewing my symptoms, checking for warning, and this is the response. We have prepared your next step. This condition is urgent. Seek immediately medical attention. Some of the symptoms require urgent medical assessment, because I said I am vomiting, I am having persist, I'm having blood in my stool, I'm having difficulty in breathing. So this is a serious emergency situation that needs immediate medical care. So now, because I am currently at University of Maiduguri, the nearest facility close to me is UMTH, University of Maiduguri Teaching Hospital. The emergency unit is 3.4 kilometers away, and then it is open 24 hours. Meaning I can go there, I can share my location for it to actually tailor it perfectly to the closest place to me. I can receive temporary instructions on what to do before I proceed to the hospital. I can notify my contact that, I am sick and I need help. So if I click on nearest hospital close to me, it will not just show me University of Maiduguri Teaching Hospital. It will show me other pharmacies that are close by. This is Aleri Pharmacy, 3 minutes away from me, and it's a community pharmacy. It's very close to me. This is Bolori Healthcare Facility, 4 minutes away from me. This is our Memorial, 7 minutes away, down to the one that is 11 minutes. So I can check all of this and decide which of these hospitals to go for. I can check their open hour. I can check every other information about them and go there. Now let's go to the other feature, which is the family wallet feature. This is where all your family information, all your family health is kept, is tracked, and then you can monitor it. This family has this individual or this profile has added 4 family members. One of them needs vaccination today, 2 need medication today, 5 and then there's some certain assessment that is supposed to be done. This is what Ibrahim. This is Ibrahim's profile. This is the husband. This is Aisha Ibrahim's program. This is Ibrahim's profile. This is Fatima's program, which is their daughter. Their blood group and their genotype and everything is there. This and then. The husband is having hypertension and his next checkup is on Monday. Their daughter needs a polio booster, which is due, and then there's also Musa, who is healthy and does not have any medical condition. This is also the list of the drugs which all of them are on, and then upcoming hypertension checkup is upcoming at the state specialist hospital, polio booster for the daughter at Bologna Primary Health Care, and Lodipine. So all these features are available on the app. And this is the person that needs emergency care in their family, which is Ibrahim Musa. He has allergic to penicillin, and then is currently using amlodipine and ORS. So this is what the family feature gives. You can track all your family health. You don't need to be calling every day to be knowing that, how are they doing, how are they doing. This app helps you to keep track of them and know when they are improving, when it's getting worse, or when they need a follow-up appointment. Now we also have the learn section. This is for everybody, not just people that are sick. If you want to have information about malaria, cholera, pregnancy, nutrition, or any kind of condition, you come here, you click on it, you read the article on it, and then you are good to go. Then this is the profile page. The profile page contains information about the registered user. Like we have Aisha Ibrahim. She is a verified user. She stays at Bolori, Maiduguri, Borno State. She speaks English and Hausa. And then this is the total family snapshot. 4 members, 3 medication remember, 2 recent assessments, and then emergency contacts. So this is what the profile page looks like. And then we have the language feature in the setting. You can choose to be in English. You can choose to be in Hausa. The Hausa feature is already live, but because I'm doing a presentation, everything is in English. The Kanuri is the indigenous language of people in Maiduguri, but then it is coming soon in our phase 3 or 4 of our MVP launch, and then the medication reminder for each of the family members, switching to dark mode, and then settings and privacy, biometric or face ID. All of these are being integrated into Carebridge. Now let me close with this story. Let me return back to Aisha. Instead of spending her precious time searching random websites or relying on misinformation, she opens Carebridge. Within minutes, she understands her next step. She finds the nearest healthcare facility. She knew what to do. What confidence can make the difference. She knows what to do, and that confidence makes all the difference. This is the future we envision. A future where technology does not replace healthcare professional, but empowers family to remain safe, and empowers family to make safer, faster, and more informed decisions. This is Carebridge, a trusted healthcare guidance for every family member. Thank you so much.